Hey editor, are you stuck pouring everything into your edits but still feeling invisible? A while back, I consulted with a YouTuber who has 7 million subscribers. One of his videos should have hit 3 million views, but it stopped just short of a million. Why? Editing mistakes. The same kind that keep most editors stuck at low pay, wondering why clients don't see their value. And here's the part no one tells you. It's not that your edits aren't good, it's that they're too predictable for the human brain. Here's what I found on that call. Number 1, every unnecessary animation was stealing retention. Viewers click a video because they're curious, not patient. That one cute animation might seem harmless, but it's an exit point. The brain says nothing's happening yet, and they swipe away. Cutting those micro delays instantly sharpens pacing. Number 2, music was telling the audience it was safe to stop caring. The music sounded triumphant when the problem hadn't been solved yet. It killed tension. Viewers subconsciously lost interest because the sound said the story's over. The fix? Use music that asks a question, not one that gives an answer. Number 3, gimmicks ruin genuine emotion. During the edit, the team added a Wilhelm scream like this, "Ah!" to a real reaction shot. It instantly cheapened what should have been an emotional scene. As I told Jeremy, it made an authentic scene feel staged. Every added sound or visual that draws attention to itself risks breaking emotional trust, and once that happens, the viewer disconnects. I know how frustrating it is to give a project everything you've got, only for clients to treat it like it's nothing special, never seeing the skill behind it. But it's not your talent holding you back, it's understanding how viewers actually think. P.S. If you're tired of being the underrated editor and you want clients to finally pay for the skill behind your work, Elite Editor Academy will get you there faster. You'll learn how to turn editing mastery into income and respect. Y'all have a good one.